Okay, guys, I gotta come clean. I've been keeping something from you guys for quite a while, but there's a good reason. It's because I haven't really delved too much into it and didn't really want to speak on something that I wasn't too knowledgeable about, but I think it's really gonna help you out. That's why I'm making this video. Now, this isn't clickbait. There's actually a way that you can make money on Amazon within 24 hours without selling any products. Now, this is called the Amazon Influencer Program. And basically, what happens is if someone clicks on the product review that you've done and then they buy that product, you make a commission. And it is actually the most insanely passive, I don't like to use that on this channel, but it's the most insanely passive way to make money I've seen. If not, it's one of the most passive ways to make money in 2024. And I don't say that lightly. So we're going to jump into my computer. I'm going to show you all about what the Amazon Influencer Program is. And I'm going to show you the numbers that I've made so far using this program. Now, before I delve into how you can actually apply for this program yourself and how you can actually get into posting these reviews, and I'll show you actually an in-depth look into my reviews as well, because I haven't posted many. To be completely honest, I haven't gone fully into this yet because I have been running my businesses and really haven't put the time into it. But this is something I'm looking more into in 2024, and especially talking about it because it's really going to help a lot of you out. So before I do that, let's have a look at the actual numbers, because this is what is more important to you. So I'll show you why the numbers, it might be a bit low to some of you, but I'm going to show you how easily this is to do, right? So overall, I have started this when I first got approved. It was July last year, and I posted my first videos here, and I never touched them after that. I posted about 30 reviews, which I'll show you. Now, unfortunately, Amazon don't like you go into the actual dashboard, so I can't show you the actual sales dashboard because I think the video actually is at risk of getting taken down. But these are basically my payouts, right? So all up, because I'm on the US market doing this, all up made about 473 USD, which is about 724 AUD. And when I tell you that I posted my videos here and didn't touch them at all, I have not posted another single video up after this. I posted them actually back in sort of like June. My first payout was about a month or so after that. And then just from there, it's just those same videos. I haven't touched them, right? So as you can see here, we've got some months. The first month was 1684. 83.43 for the next one, $85, 25, all the way upwards of 103 from literally, I'm not even kidding, I didn't even touch it. I haven't even looked at it. So before I show you how to actually do this yourself, let's have a look at my account, and I'm going to show you how I've made this money, right? You can check out this page yourself, by the way. I don't know how lenient Amazon is on, let me show you this stuff, but this is my Amazon page. This is the influencer program, and I'll talk a little bit about how you can go about getting accepted, because I don't just accept anyone. Okay, so this is what I would suggest. But first off, I have 33 posts, and all I've done is reviewed products that I already own, and that are on Amazon. Right now, there's a lot of strategy behind this. There's actually a lot of strategy how you can make more. There's ways you can see what products are being reviewed the most, what products have the most interaction and things like that. But because I'm just getting started on this, and because I just want to show you guys how you can get started, just start reviewing products around your house. I went to my parents' place, started reviewing those products. Just start doing products that you own that you can find on Amazon. Make sure they're the exact same product. But I've got this one here has made me the most money so far because it's a treadmill. You probably see this on my Instagram stories. I did a review of this, and it's made me the most money because it was the most expensive product, about $300-400. So obviously, the higher price of product, the more of a percentage you get, right? So I don't know the exact percentages, so you can look that up, but obviously the higher price of your product is the more money you make. So I've got a bunch of products around my place, around my parents' place, like PlayStation, a Monopoly thing, a printer, that's done really well for me, the printer, books. I've got vitamins, controllers, cameras, the camera that you saw me use at the start of the video, this microphone that I'm literally using right here. I reviewed this, makes me money, right? So I've got 33 reviews, and I'm going to go harder into this. I really want to show you the potential of it, but I haven't touched it since May last year, and it still brings in money like consistently. I haven't touched it from there. I don't have to do anything. You just post them, and as long as these are the only guidelines, as long as you have a clear image of the review. Like I'll show you this one. This is all that this is. So right here I have. So I talk about what it is. I talk about the pros to it and if there's any cons. This video is only like 20-30 seconds. Most of mine are under 60 seconds. I talk about the product, what it does, what it's good at, That's it. And then I post it. Now, let's talk about how to actually get into this. And again, you can look at this. You can just Google this. I'm on the US market, so let's have a look at how to actually sign up, because when I was checking this today, there's actually a .com.au. When I first signed up last year, there was no Australian market sign up for this, but I went to the US. Now, this is the only thing that you need to know about, and I'm not going to go super in depth with this because I'm not an expert at it, but this is literally how you can start. I'm telling you right now, if you have no money to start and you want to start reviewing products and getting commission for it, this is what you do. This here. So when you sign up, the only main things you need is you need to make sure that you have some kind of following on social media. It doesn't have to be a big following. I don't have a big following on social media, but whether it is TikTok, whether it's Instagram, I linked both my Instagram and my TikTok because it's an influencer program. You need to make sure that, okay, maybe some of your content is surrounded around products, because not your everyday Joe is just going to get accepted a lot of the time. You need to make sure that you either have good content on your channel already, or at least some form. Like, it can't just be a blank Instagram page. You more than likely won't get accepted. I linked my stuff. I think it accepted me for, I can't remember if it was Instagram or TikTok, but I linked both. I tried to link my YouTube. I don't think it worked, so you can do YouTube as well. But you just need to show Amazon, okay, I am posting regularly, and it's even better if you can have posts that are in line with, say, either reviewing products or in line with e-commerce. I was lucky in that sense because my content has been in line with e-commerce for some time. So at the very least, show posts that, or have videos on your pages, on your social media that have you in video form with your face showing, just to show that, okay, you're a real person, right? So that's how you get accepted. Now, to get accepted for commission, to get this here, you need to post, I think it's 2 or 3 videos at the beginning to get accepted. So I posted these 2 or these 3 in the beginning, and it usually takes a couple of days to a few days to get approved to start earning commission. And you just need to make sure that they're in this format, make sure that they're clear. Okay, I don't do any captions. They don't like captions or closed captions or anything. So they're just really easy, really chilled, right? This is just me reviewing the camera. Nothing special. That is all I did. And within a week, I got it approved, and then I could just start doing reviews. Now, the only thing that I'm slapping myself about here is that I haven't gone heavier into this, because when I tell you, I'm not even kidding, like these numbers here, these are all passive. I did these first 33 videos and haven't touched it since here. And it still brings in money. Like, this is 25 USD in a month. I have this still waiting. Just imagine if you did twice the amount, 10 times the amount. Instead of me doing 33 videos, I had 300 reviews up instead, right? Obviously, it's not going to compound exactly to that much, but I could say this is easily something you could earn 1,000 to 5,000 per month passively. And the people who are doing this really successfully are more involved, okay? They are buying products, reviewing them. They're having people send products to them, reviewing them. So it's a lot more of an in-depth system, right? But everyone, I'm telling you, more than likely you have so many products around your house right now. Like this, a headset. Like I'm using this headset. I'm going to review that as well. Just review anything you have, right? I reviewed cutting boards. I reviewed Hydro Boost, Neutrogena gel, whatever. This is by far the best way to get started on Amazon if you don't want to sell products and you just want to start making money. Like, it's the easiest way. And I hate saying easy on this channel, but I don't know why I haven't talked about this sooner. I just thought, look, at least I want to at least have some numbers to show. But I'm going to go harder into this, and I'll update you guys later on this year, because if you haven't seen my channel yet, majority of my stuff is Amazon FBA, other e-commerce stuff, coaching, all that stuff. So this isn't something that I have done super successfully, but I'm telling you, I have barely put any work into this, and it's made me money. It's made me almost $1,000, right? Granted, over months and months, right? I think it's getting close to a year now, but I didn't put any work into it, right? So if I do 30 videos a week or 30 videos a month, this would have compounded so far, and that's what I want to do. Anyway, this is all I'm going to talk about in this video. Just apply for it. If you want the Amazon Australia influencer one, it's this one here, .com.au. The US one is .com. I would highly suggest just to do it on the US, because there's no difference really. It's just that you've got a higher chance of getting sales, and there's no real other barrier to entry. So apart from that, please get into it and just try it out yourself. right? Some people get stuck at the point of like creating the content or even just getting approved. So just make sure when you sign up, look at the guidelines to get approved, okay? And make sure that you have a social media account that at least has post a view on it, has maybe some helpful content on it as well. Maybe start posting some stuff if you're looking to seriously get into this. Maybe start posting some product reviews on your social media. Who cares what people say? Just start that. Then you have a better chance of getting approved, because once you get approved and you have this here, earns commission, that doesn't really go away. Like, I haven't been penalized for not uploading. It's just you go with as many as you want. And I've just kept these up. Like, these have been up for almost a year now, right? And they still bring in money. So that's all I want to talk about here. This is by far the best way, in my opinion, to get started making money on Amazon. The only other thing to note is that you can start earning within 48 hours. Like, if you get approved, you'll start getting the clicks and commission if you're getting sales from it. But your very first payout won't be for about another month or two after your first post. But then after that, it's every single month. So it took me about 2 months to get my first payout, and then after that, this is every month, right? Because there's a bit of a wait period. Okay. So the other thing to note, if this video did help, just you know what to do. Subscribe here. Got a whole bunch of Amazon content. I'll be talking a lot more about this later on this year, because I want to aim to do a lot more with this. But if you like this video, let me know. If you want more on this, comment down below. But apart from that, have a wonderful day or night wherever you're watching. Stay safe. Go out there and get this started. I'll see you guys soon.